Shezz.
Hi, I'm Shezz.
I'm Gav.
And this is our Beneteau Oceanis 430. We made our dream a reality. Welcome aboard to Astrid the Wombat. Where are we?
Hey everyone.
We are
What's up?
We're in the van and we're at Coomera Boat Works because maybe you can explain what happened yesterday.
Okay, well the tender that came with the boat is all old. It's 14 years old and it literally fell apart. So we bought a new one. Well, we're going to buy a new one.
We're here to pick it up.
Yeah, got the van.
And it's a Sirocco.
Yeah, 2.7, which I think is enough for us right now. But if we, you know, in 5 years when we start going, we'll get something that we can put a bit bigger motor on and something a little bit bigger. Be all right.
Yeah. So the place doesn't open for about another 20 minutes. We've got a really good bacon and egg roll, like a really good one. And
the galley at Boat Works down in Coomera in Queensland, Australia. Get on it.
$7.50. Awesome. But
it's not just bacon and egg either. It had all that salady stuff in it, tomato and lettuce.
It's pretty
and stuff.
great.
And some sort of chutney stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Do you want to get another one? We'll go back and get another one.
I don't think I could eat another one. It was so big.
I'll go back and get another one. We'll hang up on this and then we'll go.
Well, I was just going to say we were about to drive down to where the boat is, the tender is, in case they were open early, and then we did pass by this chandlery, and so here it is here, the chandlery, which is open, and they got trolleys outside, so apparently you can fill a trolley. I bet we could. Let's go and see what we can find.
We'll have a look for Dunnies. We're really in we're in the mood for a new toilet.
Yeah, we need one that fits our bums.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Ciao.
See you guys.
Bye.
Okay, so we are proud owners of a Sirocco tender, 2.7 metre.
We own a new boat.
So if you are looking for one, go and see Ryan at Sirocco at Coomera.
And we'll give you a review in a year.
Yeah, we'll review it when we get it all set up, and I'll video the setup and everything. But Ryan helped us out massively.
Yeah, nice guy.
Really super nice guy. Had it all ready for us this morning, just waiting on us, so it was all good just to go.
Shed 61.
Yeah, Shed 61, Gold Coast Marine. Super great guy. Tell him that we sent you. There's nothing that you'll get from that, but it's just nice.
We'll get a big note out of it.
Yeah.
We'll just be able to get a cheaper deal when we go and get our next one.
But he gave us a bottle of stuff to clean it, like the polishy stuff for it, and protect it, UV protectant, and helped us out, lots of advice and everything as well, little connector to blow it up, and yeah, just a super duper nice guy. So
some free stainless.
Yeah, so Astrid the Wombat supports you, Ryan, at Sirocco.
Yeah, unless it's a shit boat, and in which case you'll never see this video.
It is in the back there. There it is. You can see it. And so now it's an hour's drive back home, and then we'll get it all set up. See you later. So we've just taken the tender engine off there, and Gav has lifted it off the boat.
Successful lifting.
Successful lifting all the way out there into the trolley. We've got fuel ready, and we're just having a cold drink because it is significantly hot here in the marina, and everywhere in Queensland at the moment. So we have a cold drink, and then we're going to go down and put together the new tender.
That's lovely. Romantic at the boat ramp, isn't it? It took us well over an hour to get everything set up, but the setup was actually relatively easy. The longest time period was just waiting for it to pump up. Thankfully, we had the compressor there. I can't imagine trying to do it any other way. And we were pretty excited. I mean, what a beautiful boat this is. We were really impressed with the structure. It's got a hard bottom. Everyone likes a hard bottom, don't they? And yeah, we got the engine on without any sort of problem. And we were really looking forward to what this would mean for us, because it meant we could take the boat out and be able to get in and out to shore. And this is effectively our car while we're on the boat. So yeah, we were really excited about our new purchase. No spilling the fuel on our near 4,000 board boat, babe?
No. Slow and steady wins this race, I think. What did old mate say? Something about spanking the monkey?
Slowly catches the monkey. There was no spanking.
Yeah, I think it's spanking. Slowly spanks the monkey. Thanks for that, Paulie. Legend.
Chops away.
Yeah, walk back, please. Over there. Over there, see about this thing, eh?
time.
See there?
Okay. Remember, Ida's tongue never touches her lips. Well, that was pretty cool. Gav's taking the first ride. It's only fair that he should do that given, you know, I got to see the boat for months before he did. So now, my job's to get the van back to our marina car park, which is just next door, and get all the stuff out the back and walk it back to the boat. So let's go. Should explain a bit about the name. So we've explained about the name Astrid from our favourite Cold Chisel song, and the tender is called Ida because also one of our favourite Cold Chisel songs. So yeah, if you're not sure of the songs, just look them up. The band's Cold Chisel and the songs are Astrid and Ita. So we've had these names picked out for a really long time. So far we've named the boat, clearly. We've named the tender. And we've named the autopilot Lola. Nothing to do with Cold Chisel. Just seemed to fit. Just seemed a good autopilot name that Lola would be looking after us and everything. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh goodness, I can't tell you how hot it is today. Unbelievably hot. So back we go. And here we are at our marina, East Coast Marina. Shout out to these guys, they're pretty awesome. Secure gated. did Ida go, babe?
Yeah, pretty good.
Looks good.
Feet.
Hey guys,
Hey guys,
like and subscribe.
I subscribe.